Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's. It's Saturday, February 18th, 2023. It's today actually Sunday. And I've decided to solve the half of the puzzles in the additional. Yeah, to solve the half of the puzzles in the additional, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles remaining. The tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 5989. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. 13 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, yeah. Time for comparing. Time for comparing. Well. We have here 3 completed columns and 1, 2 completed rows. Double one here, okay. We can compare this row and that row. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need to compare again. Question is the rows. Oh, no. We have a double O here. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright, 2 O's left, or 2 columns left. Do we have a double O here, here? No, it's not the same. How about here? No, not the same. How about 1001? No. Need to compare the rows. 1001. Do we have a 10 here? We have a 1001 here. 10. Yeah. This row and the last row. Empty box 110011001100 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 6 minutes. Well, should be an easy one. Should be an easy one. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.